Welcome back, my name is Arandelis and this is continuation of me creating a website for my side project, the programming language. Last time we created a header component, which looks like this. So this time I want to create a header model, and when you click on this icon, you are present with this menu here. And then when you click on one of these links, you are present with submenu and you can go back to this screen again. First of all, I want to fix so the logo is a link and then the icon that we have here is a button, like this. So then I converted the header component to be a client component, and I added a state to check if we have a menu open, and then when you click on this button I added so that the menu opens, right? And then I added also a small line to see how it works. So initially we have a menu open false, and when you click on the button it changes to true. Then I wrapped our header with a fragment, a React fragment, to be able to hold both model and the header itself. And then I created a portal which mounts directly into document body and shows the portal if the menu is open. So let's see how it works. So we have menu open false, and when I click on it, it says true, and also the portal appears here. And if we check where it is mounted, and we can see that it is direct children of the body. Next, I want to check if it really works by implementing the toggle functionality. So when we click on this icon, it will toggle our portal. So you can see it is set as false, then we click it set as true and the portal appears. And then when we click again, it is set as false again and the portal disappears. Okay, next I created a base class for my icons, because it is taking a lot of time copy pasting all this boilerplate between the icons. So now I have unified style for the icons, and I just path the viewbox property and also the contents of the SVG. And then, as you can see here, we are managing all the properties that needs to be there. And last thing I forgot is that I will need to omit the children. So the parent component header doesn't need to set the children, because the children is provided by the icon itself. And the way we use it is really simple. We just say that we want to use this icon and set the class name to be a field class name. Yeah, my bad. I don't need to set it as a field white. I need to set it as a text, because the trick here is that I'm using current color. So it means that the color of the parent is applied to the icon itself, to the field property. But unfortunately, it is working only for monochrome icons, which means that the icons that has only one color. Next, I made the header of being a fixed position, and also I did the index property to be 10, and for the model window I added the property the index to be 20. Then let's wrap our entire model into a site. I'm pretty sure that is the right tag in terms of SEO, and transfer all the styles to this tag. This one will be used as a header itself. Then for the logo component, I added property mono, which means monochrome. So if it is monochrome and has only one color, then I'm displaying this SVG, and otherwise I'm displaying this SVG. And the difference between those you will see in a second. And then on the header itself, I added the logo here, and also for the logo on the main page, I added the mono property. Okay, so this is how it works. So I click on this button, and then this one is getting shown. This is our site element, and it has header inside of it, and we will add the menu here after the header, and then inside of the header we have a link and a button. The last part that I want to do today is implement the navigation. Okay, so first of all, I created a navigation component, and it consists of 3 components actually. The first one is the navigation itself. It accepts the children and class name properties, and I'm just creating an ordered list here. Then the navigation item component, and I have just a list item here with again the children and class name. And then the interesting part is navigation link, where I'm actually extending the properties of the Next.js link, and I'm just using the link itself and applying some custom class names. So again, inside of my portal here, I'm using a site, the header, and then I created the main container here. and it has the navigation, and navigation has navigation item, direct children, and then inside of each navigation item I have a navigation link. And each navigation link has a class name and the URL, and also some of them have an icon inside of it. And then it works like this. So we have the icon, I click on the icon and I have the menu here. This is it for today. I'll just commit my changes because I forgot it yesterday. And let's name the changes day 3, like that. And yeah, thank you for watching and have a good day.